concerned, we could be talking about record temperatures. I mean, in both the high and a low category, no relief in sight. Although we have a chance of a spot shower or storm later on, it's not going to be widespread, and it's not going to really do much to cool you down. Getting warmer for tomorrow, and then the extreme heat and humidity will kick in come Wednesday afternoon, so plan accordingly. Now, there's some flickers of green on our screen. Really not going to amount to much, not going to put a dent in the deficit that we have as far as rain is concerned. Current temperatures, we got a few 50s. You got to head further inland for that, but we're more likely in the 60s across the New York City metro area. Long Island, Hampton Bay, 64. Islip, the same deal, 68. Newark. Water temperatures finally in the low 70s, so a great place to be will be the beach. And of course, we'll have your beach forecast coming up later on in the broadcast. Closer to that 90-degree mark, the further inland you are, especially south or northeastern New Jersey, I should say, mid-80s across the city. Islip, 83. There could be a spot shower or storm that'll come up later on today. Here's a look at tonight, mainly in the 60s, low 70s, and the heat will continue to rise. Speaking of which, this is what it's going to feel like when you combine the heat and humidity closer to that 90-degree mark as we head into your Tuesday. Newburgh at 90. 87 New York City, may even get a little bit higher, and then it really starts to intensify by midweek. Now, we top out in the 90s, but it'll feel more like 101 Wednesday across the city. A little bit cooler eastern Long Island, especially along the South Shore, because that sea breeze will provide a little bit of relief. It will feel more like triple digits, well into the triple digits. I'm seeing upwards of about 108 in some locations. And then Friday, not much of a relief either, because it feels like 108 by the time you get to Friday afternoon. Notice the pinkish hue. If you don't see your down here, just identify wherever you're in the pink areas. Like, say, for instance, if you're along the North Shore of Long Island, like Huntington, Dix Hills, it'll feel like triple digits. And as we head into Saturday, it does come down a bit, but still hot. Too hot to handle, as a matter of fact. Spot showers later on this afternoon, hit or miss. Not everybody's getting it. The same rings true as we had later on in the week. Wednesday, a little bit more coverage. This is what it looks like tomorrow morning. Not a whole lot. And then as we push this even further into your Wednesday, then we anticipate eastern end of Long Island, some heavy downpours, isolated storms, and then later on in the day, this is for the evening commute. That's when things will start to flare up a bit, but again, not going to do anything to warm us up, because Thursday, Friday, that's going to be the peak heat. Here's a look at your 7-day forecast. We'll be under a weather alert Wednesday right through the end of the week, so plan on that.